Take a ride in the 2025 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.